How to clean under sink cabinet. Welcome to my channel for all things home and living for modern women. My name is Florence Straka. In today's video, I am going to show you how to clean under sink cabinet. How to clean under kitchen sink. So let's see what I have and how we can get that clean, organized, and make it neat for us to use, because that is the place where we have every storage when it comes to home cleaning. Space under your sink can be a little bit awkward or it's small, but it is very important to keep it clean and organized. That way, when you want to get something, you can reach for and know exactly where you think. As you can see, a bunch. You can see a lot of cleaning stuff. Those are all for bathroom cleaning, car cleaning, home cleaning, every laundry. Sometimes I keep them here, which I should have, sometimes it's just things just pile up here because it's just easy to throw things down here. So you can see how filled this looks and how unorganized it looks. I'm going to try and show you how to clean this up, and also watch for if there is any drain or any damage under your sink, and that can help too to make sure you don't have any leakage. So let's take a quick look and clean this place and organize it as it's supposed to be. First thing first, I am going to clean all this out right now. Alright, as you can see, look at that filth. Look at the filth we have. We are going to try to clean this, make it neat, and then rearrange everything. With a closer look, you can see how filthy this is. So I'm going to use Awesome. This is really good. It takes the stains off a lot. So I'm going to spray this, and we're just going to let this sit just a little bit, and then we'll start cleaning it and get it all cleaned nicely. Spray that there, and now we're just gonna have this sit for, and then we will start cleaning. All right, so we spray. I have some warm water here. I'm going to add a little Gain dish soap, and I'm gonna put in a towel, and I have a sponge. I'm going to start cleaning this up. And I'm just going to do this, and we are going to use this towel to wipe everything off. So we're going to get this nice clean. So this stain doesn't want to go away. I tried to clean it. Some was off, but some did not. But as long as this is clean, it should be good to go. And I use a soap pad. Alright, I'm gonna use a sponge to go over it. The transformation already. And I'm going to use this towel. Much better than what it looks like before. So that it's not bad, except for this stain. And this was from my sink was leaking, and that was the stain that came out of it, and that's what got this stain. So all I have to do is get a new mat, use it up here. But for now, it is clean for me to be able to arrange everything and get everything organized. Also, you want to get the sides, you want to clean this sides as well. Make sure everything is cleaner. Just wipe it off. And you see how clean that looks now. It's all clean nicely. And we are going to do the other side. So you can see that side there. Just going to clean that as well. And then we just wipe also. And you see how that is clean. Also, nice and clean. Alright, and then we are just gonna finish and then just organize everything back in here. Do the last clean. And this is much better than what it looks like before. and I'm glad I get it done. Perfect. One thing I'll suggest is, as you are using your sink, your dishes and everything, always check here once in a while to see, because sometimes right here, sometimes you have leakage that you do not know about, and that was the reason why you see this stain here, because there was a leakage that we didn't know about, and then finally we got to realize that the sink was leaking. And so once in a while, check, make sure you don't have any water or anything drops in here. If it does, you have to check it out and make sure you have that fixed. So that's one thing I will tell you about under your cabinet. Sometimes you do have a leakage that you don't know until it's too late. Under the sink, it damaged under your sink and your cabinet as well. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you wipe your doors down as well. Since you don't come here all the time to clean, make sure this is also wiped down. That way, that is also clean. Do both sides. Is nice. It looks much better now. You can see much better now. And then we'll do the other side too, right here. Just this one, you see how filtered it is there, and we are just going to wipe it off. Alright, so that is also clean. Perfect. And then we just clean here as well. Clean the bottom here. And that's perfect. Top here. Okay, now we are done. Just have to organize everything back here. Alright, so I have everything organized. You can see all that we have, and I am going to start organizing this. You can get an organizer. I got one here that's going to be for the little stuff that will be handy all the time. I just reach and grab it, so that way you know. Okay, so all the bigger stuff that you don't need right away, we can put those all the way to the back, and then the things that you will need quickly, you can have those at hand. So those are wood. Have our brush. We can just hang this brush. That helps also. Get a little space down there. We have this brush. Then we have our Mr. Cleaner. I'm gonna put it right here. So voila, that is just much easier than before. As you can see, it's much nicer, cleaner, and everything is arranged. When I need something now, I can just come and know exactly where to pick it. There's nothing everywhere. You see, I have my dish soap, everything right here. I want to clean something, and everything is all arranged nicely. You have this little organizer that is for little stuff in here that makes a little much more space. That is not everywhere. So all the little things, you can get a little organizer you can use. You can use something like this and put your stuff in, just to make a little more organized and space for you. So it looks much better than before. Look at that. That's good. Now everything looks organized and efficient. So we can now close, and that is perfect. That's all we need. So in this video, I showed you how to clean under sink cabinet, or how to clean under kitchen sink cabinet, and you have seen the process we went through. It's not easy at all. My back is even hurting me a little, because you have to be on your knees and your toes, your feet, and there's too much pressure on your back. So it's very essential to organize and clean under our sink, or clean under our sink cabinet. It's also good to always keep it organized and always maintain it, so it's very easy accessible for you. When you need something to clean the house, you just go and grab it. You know exactly where it is, and that really helps you. If this video helps you in some way, and if it does, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me, and I'll get back to you. As always, this channel is all about home and living for modern women, and I hope this video has helped you you to clean under your kitchen sink or clean under your sink cabinet. And I hope to see you on my next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you. Bye.